This is Mission Control. We have clearance on 29% green line checks over.
20 seconds and counting.
Hi, and welcome to another episode of Mission Control. Today, we're going to take a look at meteor impacts. In the 19th century, a giant crater in Arizona was discovered by settlers. When scientists first learned of this finding, they sought to find a cause for this crater. At first, it was hypothesized that it was caused by either a gas explosion or a volcanic eruption. Daniel Barringer, a mining engineer, later hypothesized that it could be caused by a meteor. This idea, however, was met with great skepticism, and it would take a staggering 57 years for science to mature and finally confirm that it was indeed a meteor impact. There are a lot of confirmed meteor impact craters around the world, and the latest significant incident was that of the Chelyabinsk impact in Russia in 2013. Shock waves were detected as far as Antarctica. About 1,200 people were injured, and structural damages were estimated to cost more than $33 million. It was captured on hundreds of webcams, dashboard cams, and phones. The explosion of the meteor was stronger than a nuclear bomb, and it was so bright that some people had skin and retinal damage. This incident in Chelyabinsk was witnessed by thousands of people. The question is, if the Earth is flat with a surrounding dome and no such thing as space and celestial bodies like planets, stars, meteors, and asteroids, then what created the craters, and what exactly happened in Chelyabinsk? What could possibly generate this force if it wasn't a meteor? If it was a nuclear missile of some sort, why would anyone orchestrate such an attack in a totally insignificant part of Russia? And what technology could accelerate a missile to a speed of 40,000 miles per hour prior to the explosion? And why would the Obama administration spend $40 million on locating the remains of the meteor? And if the meteorite they fished out of the frozen lake is not a meteorite, then what is it? Of course, I don't expect to get reasonable answers from Flatmania, but at least it goes to show how ridiculous their model is, or should I say, lack of a model. Asteroids pose a real threat to the Earth, and we are likely to be struck in the future, which is why it is not a bad idea for us to research and develop defense mechanisms. So, flatties, this is yet another issue that ought to puzzle you a lot, and we would love to collect yet another silly claim from you and display it for all to see.